to the brows. So this is one of my old Anastasia brushes. You see that the one side broke off, but I just like to use it for miscellaneous, basically brushing my brows up. Now, I'm not into the really intense, like drawn on Instagram brows. You guys know how much I love fluffy or floofy fluffy things. So all I want in life is like floofy brows. This is the MAC eyebrow pencil in Fling. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start at the tail. So I'm just gonna do little hair-like strokes. Now, something that you can do is you can brush this down, and then you can really see your arch and where you need to color it in. So we are coloring that. Now this part, I'm gonna do just little hair-like strokes again, straight up. And I'm gonna bring it in some more. So basically what I'm doing is where I put my nose contour, it's a little bit outside of it though, center the nostril up. So that's kind of where you want to place it. It's so fluffy! It's so fluffy! This big little me. It's been a long day, but I've had a fabulous day. Ugh, dying. Now I'm going to take my actual Anastasia brush that has the other end on it, and we're going to go with the Anastasia two-tone eyebrow powder in blonde. And I'm going to use the darker color. I'm just going to tap that in. Tap it just on my tail. That's where it gets like thicker, to your tail. Now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia brow gel. And since I want my floofy brows, I'm going to brush it up, but I'm kind of going to hold it because my eyebrows don't want to stick straight up, but I want them to stick straight up. Oh my god. One of my favorite parts when it's all coming together. You know, some of you may not like my floofy brow, but you know, just do what feels good. You can do anything with makeup. You can just play, and there's so many different things that you can do, and we can each customize it to our face shapes and bring out our natural beauty. This is a little bit more of an intensive look than natural beauty, but every woman's beautiful. And I just love when someone comes, you know, at Lancôme and sits in my chair and they walk away feeling so good and so pretty, and they're just like, they just like see themselves in the mirror and they just are glowing like from the inside out, and their eyes light up, and you listen to what they want and what they say, and then you just do it. And when you succeed in that and listening, then it's just something really magical that happens. And there is my fluffy eyebrow. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other brow, and then we're gonna come back and do the final touches. Okay, so now we're gonna do the under eye, and this is really fun. So, because I'm gonna use like that greeny blue seaweed color, and it's just gonna make the eyes pop. So I'm going to take the little MAC, I believe this is a 220 brush. I'm going to dip it in the color Destiny, tap it on the back of my hand because Anastasia's shadows are really pigmented. And I'm just going to go under, I'm just going to fill that really lightly. You can even go back on to the back of your hand and get the excess. Just super light. See what that's doing? It's just making the sunset eyes like pop. Sexy sunsets on the eyes. Okay, wipe that off. I'm going to go in with Excess or Access. This is that really like wonderful blue. There we go. Sexy eye. Now I am going to take this little mini brush. It's Merle Norman. I'm going to take Cube. I'm just going to put that in the corner. Next, mascara. I love Monsieur Big. This stuff is fabulous. Now the trick with this, do not wiggle it back and forth. That will just cause a mess and your lashes will not look good. You have to go just straight up and down. At the base, up. They said do not wiggle it back and forth. That is what they taught us in Lancôme school. Also, don't share your mascaras. I'm sure you will know this. Just don't do it. And also, replace your mascaras at least every 4 to 6 months. Once you open it, it oxidizes with the air and the formula can go a little funky. So if you ever wonder like, oh, I don't like my mascara, it's not working anymore, you need a new one. Mr. Big will never let you down. Okay, so we're gonna wait for that to dry, and I'm gonna go grab a lipstick, and I'm also gonna decide whether to put mascara on my bottom lashes. Okay, so I went ahead already and lined my lips with the MAC lip liner in Spice. And you can see that I kind of brought it in because I want that bit of an Angelina Jolie lip, and brought it in here. Then we are gonna go in with the MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick. It kind of is like a bronzy, but it also has a little bit of that, you know, orange in it. Now on to the lash. So I went ahead and put on a MAC 35 lash on my left eye, and I used the Duo Glue. The Duo Glue. And I've already prepped my right lash, and I already put a thin thing of glue on it, and I'm waiting for it to get a bit tacky. Now you can either use tweezers or your claws like me. I always look down when I put this lash on, and I like them, they kind of are flat so they stick straight up. So what is going to happen is you're literally just going to like place it. Now I go with the end first because I want it to be more of that cat eye effect on the end with my lash. I kind of just, you know, dab it, make sure that it's on my lid. We're just going to wait.
20 minutes later.
So after I've waited like 20 minutes for my lashes to dry, the final step! Max Fix Plus. Since I use so much powder and everything on my face, what this is going to do, the setting spray, is going to bring my skin back to life and make it look more natural instead of that like powdery finish. So you just, you know, hold it like an arm's length away and you spray. I love Fix Plus so much. At work, they make fun of me because I just go over and spray my face. Okay, bam, we are done. I hope you guys like this look. I'm so excited about it. It turned out like so much better than I thought it would, which is a good thing. Subscribe to my channel below, and in the future we're gonna have some giveaways and some fun prizes for your subscription. Follow me on Instagram and you can get all the info. My name's Elise Lidley, and thank you for watching.